Robots are the unsung heroes of various industries, performing high-precision and demanding tasks with incredible efficiency. However, their operations generate a considerable amount of heat, which can negatively impact their performance and longevity. That's where SUNON cooling modules come in. By ensuring that the robot operates at optimal temperatures, SUNON cooling modules help to maintain the robot's performance and prolong its lifespan. The type of heat dissipation method used depends on the robot's design, its intended use, and the amount of heat generated by its components. From small operations to large manufacturing facilities, SUNON cooling modules are an excellent cooling solution for robotic systems. Search for SUNON cooling modules for robotics.